Paricutin, Mexico. A new volcano pours millions of tons of white-hot lava along a 25-mile front less than 200 miles from Mexico City. A church is destroyed by the fury of the invincible avalanche, and the organ is hurriedly salvaged. Communications are destroyed, 5 whole towns engulfed. Tarascan Indians take flight to escape one of nature's most terrifying displays. Steaming and hissing, the lava moves on at the rate of 200 yards a day. Its temperature, 1,200 to 2,000 degrees. The new volcano erupted for the first time only a little over a year ago. Now, earth-shaking explosions, higher and higher waves of melted stone, and destruction everywhere. Paricutin, newest of major volcanoes.